In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call using Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Microsoft Teams or just need a refresher on its features, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know in order to successfully make a call. To start, make sure that you have Microsoft Teams installed on your device and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the official Microsoft Teams website and download the application that fits your device, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or a mobile device. Once you have it installed and you're signed in, you're ready to get started on making calls. Now, with Microsoft Teams open, you'll be greeted with the user interface, filled with various sections such as Teams, Chat, Calendar, and more on the left sidebar. This is your dashboard, the central point where you can navigate to different features within Teams. The specific area we're interested in today is the Calls tab. You'll find it on the left-hand sidebar, usually indicated by a phone icon. Click on that to head over to the Calls section. In the Calls section, you'll see numerous options depending on your setup, such as speed dial, contacts, and history. These options provide you with an organized way to manage who you're calling and how you can reach them. To initiate a call, you'll want to focus on your contact list. If you've set up contacts already, great. You can easily scroll through your list to find the person you want to contact. Remember, if it's someone within your organization, they should automatically appear if you're using the same domain. If you're looking to call someone outside of your preset contacts, that's absolutely possible, too. In the Calls window, you'll see a search bar at the top. You can use this search bar to find anyone within your organization or type in an external phone number if you're set up to make PSTN public switched telephone network calls. Once you've selected or found the contact you want to call, you'll notice a phone icon next to their name. Clicking on this icon will initiate the call. During the call, you'll have a few options available to enhance your communication experience. For example, you can use the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen to mute or unmute yourself. The share screen feature, indicated by an arrow, allows you to share your screen with the call participant if you need to present or collaborate visually. When your conversation is over, simply press the red phone icon to end the call. This straightforward process gives you the flexibility and ease of staying connected, making Microsoft Teams a versatile tool for personal and professional communication. That wraps up our lesson on how to make a call in Microsoft Teams. I hope this was clear and informative. Give it a try, and soon you'll be navigating Microsoft Teams calls like a pro. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.